All right, today is week 13, day 5, and we're going to talk about main idea and details and also sequence. You will be reading about how a caterpillar becomes a moth. We're going to monitor our comprehension as we do this, checking to make sure that we're understanding what we read. Stop reading after each step in the process of the caterpillar's change and remind yourself what you've read. The instructions say, stop now and then to check that you understand what you read. So we're going to practice that strategy today. It says, from egg to moth. Certain animals change as they grow from an egg to an adult. Each change is called a stage. The animal's body looks different during each stage. Moths, for example, go through 4 stages of change. So we can stop and we can think about if we understood what we read. Animals change as they grow. They have different stages. Some animals have more stages than others, right? That's what I would say to re-say what we read. A moth begins as an egg. The female moth lays eggs on the leaves or stem of the plant. The leaves will become food when the eggs hatch. An egg hatches into a larva or caterpillar. So we'll stop there and we'll talk about what we understood. We understood that it starts with an egg and then it hatches and it becomes a larva or a caterpillar. The hungry caterpillar eats all the time. It grows and grows. Its skin becomes too tight. A new skin grows under the old skin. The old skin splits apart and is shed or molted. Molting happens many times as the caterpillar grows. And we'll stop there and talk about it. So caterpillars, they eat a lot, don't they? And they grow. They eat a lot and grow, and their skin gets too little for them. And so they have to molt and get rid of their old skin, and they have a new skin underneath that they use as it keeps growing. After the caterpillar molts for the last time, it fastens itself to a twig or leaf. Then it spins a cover called a cocoon over its body. So we'll stop there. And we've learned that then the next stage is that it molts for the last time and it makes a cocoon. This is the pupa stage. Inside the cocoon, the pupa is changing into an adult. The adult moth wings out of its cocoon. Its wings unfold and dry. The moth is ready to fly away. This says, read the question. Fill in the bubble next to the correct answer. Number 1. What is the passage mainly about? Mainly, remember, is going to talk about main idea. What's the main idea of this whole article? How a caterpillar becomes a pupa, how bodies change, a moth's stages of change, or a moth's need to grow. Number 2. During which of these stages does a moth molt? An egg stage, an adult stage, a pupa stage, or a larva stage? If you don't know, you can go back and look. If you see a cocoon, you are looking at the pupa stage, adult stage, larva stage, or egg stage. Go back and look if you need to. Number 4, right after an egg hatches into a larva, it then molts its skin, eats the leaves it was laid on, spins a cocoon, or unfolds its wings. On the line, write words or facts from the passage that confused you.